Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust gestures on your META Ray-Ban glasses. To do it, go to the settings. You can see there are two different gear icons. Click on the one that is lower, and then scroll down until you find gestures. Click on that, and you can adjust gestures for touchpad or for capture button. Let's adjust the touchpad gestures first. You can see there are two different gestures. Press and hold with one finger, or press and hold with three fingers, one or three fingers. For one finger, if you have a music streaming platform like Spotify or Amazon Music connected, you can set it so when you tap and hold on the touchpad, it'll automatically open Spotify or Amazon Music and play recently opened music off of it. You can also set it to voice controls or none. The three finger tap and hold can be only set to voice controls or none. Now let's go back and go to capture button. Capture button can be either set to press once to take photos and press and hold to record videos, or the other way around, which means press and hold to take photos and press once to record videos. You can choose it depending on which one you use more often, either photos or videos. I think if you record videos more often than take photos, you'll probably prefer the second option. But feel free to choose whichever you like. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.